Your Apple TV is about to feel like a completely different machine. For years, we've been clicking around the same menus, dealing with weird audio pops, and staring at apps that Apple basically forgot existed. But the tvOS 26.4 update is finally here, and it is a massive deal. This isn't just a tiny bug fix. It is a total cleanup of the system and a sneak peek at the future of Apple Intelligence in your living room. If you've been frustrated with your home theater setup or you're just bored of the same old up next queue, you need to know what's changing right now. The first thing you'll notice is that the clutter is finally gone. For a long time, Apple kept the old iTunes movies and iTunes TV shows apps on your home screen. They were like ghosts of the past. Even though Apple wanted everyone to use the main TV app, those old icons just sat there. With this new update, those apps are officially dead. They are gone. This might feel like a small change, but it makes the home screen much cleaner. If you had them tucked away in a folder like most people did, you'll find that folder empty now. It's all about the Apple TV app from here on out. It's a bold move to simplify everything into one place. But the real magic in this update is under the hood, especially for your ears. If you own a high-end soundbar like a Sonos or a fancy home theater receiver, you know the struggle. Sometimes when you start a movie, the audio cuts out for a second. Or worse, you hear an annoying pop sound when the audio format changes. This usually happens when the system switches to Dolby Atmos. Apple finally fixed this with a new feature called Persistent HDMI Audio Connection. It uses something called Dolby MAT to keep a constant stream of sound moving to your speakers. This means no more silent gaps and no more weird clicking sounds. It makes the whole experience feel premium and smooth, just like it should have been from the start. They even fixed a bug that's been around since 2021, where the beginning of songs would get cut off in a music app. It took them 5 years, but we're finally getting the seamless audio we paid for. The feature I am most excited about, though, is the return of a classic, Genius. Remember how the old iTunes could suggest music you actually liked? Well, Apple is bringing that energy to your TV with Genius Browse. When you open the TV app, you'll see new categories like Clever Capers or Date Night. These aren't just random lists. They are smart recommendations that go deep. You can click on a movie, swipe down, and find endless related content. It suggests actors, directors, and similar vibes that go on forever. You can even filter it by specific genres or things like based on a book. It's a discovery engine that actually works. This update feels like Apple is testing the waters for something much bigger. We've heard rumors that a brand new Apple TV 4K is coming in late 2026. The reason it's taking so long? Apple Intelligence. This Genius Browse feature is likely the first step toward a TV that actually understands what you want to watch before you even ask. Imagine asking your remote to find that funny movie with the guy from that one show, and it actually works. That is where we are headed. This update bridges the gap between the old hardware and the smart future. It's the most polished the Apple TV has ever felt. If you have an Apple TV 4K, go check your settings for the update right now. It is a total game changer for your movie nights. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Would you like me to help you write the specific script for the hardware rumors and the 2026 model release next?